Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss capitalization method. What is capitalization method? What is the formula of capitalization method? Meaning each and everything I will discuss in this topic. Already I have discussed super profit method and average profit method in the last video. If you will not see that method, capitalization method and average profit method, then you cannot understand properly what is capitalization method, because these methods are connected with each other. That's why you will have to see the capitalization method and average profit method, then you will watch capitalization method, then you can understand properly. Okay, so try to understand what is capitalization method. At first I am going to discuss the definition of capitalization method. Please see it. Under this method, goodwill of a firm is calculated through the capital invested or employed by the firm. Okay, it means what? Capital will be given in your question. Okay, through this capital you will have to find out what is the goodwill of the firm. This is already you know very well. This is third chapter. This is second chapter, partnership of your class. Okay, this is very most important chapter. Try to understand. Already capital will be given in the question. Under this method, goodwill of a firm is calculated through the capital invested or employed by the firm. Capital will be already given in the question. Okay, so under this method goodwill can be calculated in two ways. How many ways? Two ways. That first way is by capitalizing the average profit. By first is given by average profit. Okay, profit. First is given by capitalizing average profit. First topic is given. Second is by capitalizing the super profit. Second, by capitalizing super profit. Okay, super profit. Today I will discuss by capitalizing average profit. How will you find out? At first we will know about capitalization of average profit method. At first I will discuss capitalization of average profit method. This method we will know about it. Capitalization of average profit method. At first I am going to discuss. In next video I will discuss by capitalizing super profit. Okay, today you will know about what is capitalizing average profit, capitalization of average profit method. Okay, what is the formula of average profit method? You know very well. Under this method, first of all we calculate the average profit and then we assess the capital needed for earning such average profit on the basis of normal rate of return. Such capital is also called capitalized value of average profit. Okay, capitalized value of average profit. Okay, so what is the formula of capitalization of average profit method? Today we will know about it. The formula is capitalized value of average profit. Capitalized value of average profit. Capitalized value of average profit is equal to capitalized value of average profit is equal to, please see it, capitalized value of average profit is equal to average profit into average profit into, okay, so average profit will be given average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. This is the formula. Please see it. Please see, capitalized value of average profit is equal to, capitalized value of average profit is equal to, okay, average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Average profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay, this is the formula of capitalization of average profit method. We knew it. Okay, next is given by capitalization of super profit. What is this? We will know about it. Okay, what is the formula of super profit? So under this method, under by capitalization super method, under this method, okay, under this method, first of all we calculate the super profit. Okay, we calculate the super profit and then we assess the capital needed for earning such super profit on the basis of normal rate of return. Such capital is actually the amount of goodwill. Okay, following formula is calculated. I am going to write the formula. Already you have known what is the formula of capitalization of average profit. Next, capitalization of super profit, you will know the formula. Second, capitalization of super profit method. Okay, you will know about capitalization of super profit method. Clear? So what is the formula of capitalization of super profit method? Today we will know about it. Goodwill is equal to super profit. Goodwill is equal to super profit. Okay, goodwill is equal to super profit. Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Into 100 divided by normal rate of return. Please try to see it. What is the formula of capitalization of super profit method? Goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 divided by normal rate of return. This is the formula of capitalization of super profit method. Okay, so these are the two methods. It is very important. Today I have discussed formula only in this video. Next video you will know about problem and solution. Okay, problem and solution of capitalization method under by capitalizing average profit. Okay, in next video you will know about it. Okay, so already I have discussed goodwill is equal to super profit into 100 thereby normal rate of return. Super profit are calculated in the same manner as calculated in super profit method. Okay, so in this video you knew what is the formula of capitalization method. Okay, under capitalization average profit and capitalization super profit. In next video you will know about capitalization of average profit method, problem and solution. Thanks for watching this video.